I'm Dr. Ashley Ali. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon specializing in sports medicine with SLUCare Physician Group. The most common conditions I treat are ACL injuries, meniscus, typical knee injuries from sporting injuries. I also take care of a wide variety of injuries from top to bottom, so shoulders all the way down to feet. A lot of people think that an orthopedic surgeon specializes only in one joint. When you're a sports medicine orthopedic surgeon, you really just focus on sports-centered injuries. I feel that sports medicine is actually on the cutting edge of all things in orthopedics and most of the things in sports medicine. So we do, here at SLU, and myself included with my partner, we do surgeries that are really on the advanced edges of sports medicine. We're doing meniscal transplants, cartilage transplants, a lot of meniscus repairs, which is a newer thing in the last 10 years. I can't even describe the feeling when you see an athlete that you've done surgery on, you've seen them at their lowest, you've seen them build up, and you've seen all of the work that they had to put into getting back to their sport. It's so gratifying. There's just so much internal gratification. It's what keeps me going, and it's what I wake up for every day, and I just am happy to be able to provide that care.